Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to disable location without anyone knowing. First of all, open up the Find My app. After opening the app, click on the Me icon from the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap to turn off the Share My Location option. Now, as you can see, the location is not showing. After that, open up the settings of your phone. Then scroll down in Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Now from here, click on Location Services. And make sure that you turn on the location services. After that, tap on the Find My app and choose the Never option to allow location access. Then you can share your location without anyone knowing. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.